How to use proxy on Instagram account at SocialMaker. Adding a proxy to your Instagram accounts in SocialMaker is a crucial step to protect them from potential bans. The process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your account security. To begin, navigate to the account you want to add a proxy to within SocialMaker. Once you're on the profile page, you'll find a proxy form field. This is where you'll enter your residential proxy details. Using residential proxies is recommended as they provide better security and are less likely to be detected by Instagram. Click the Get Data button and observe the console output. When working properly, you'll see two different IP addresses displayed, before IP and after IP, along with a proxy connection successful message. This confirms that your connection is now being routed through the proxy server. Once successfully configured, your proxy will automatically activate whenever you perform any actions with that specific account. This means every interaction, whether it's posting, liking, or commenting, will be processed through your proxy connection, adding an extra layer of security to your Instagram activities. By following these steps, you've effectively enhanced your account's security and reduced the risk of Instagram restrictions or bans. Remember that each account can have its own proxy settings, allowing you to maintain different security configurations for different accounts as needed.